Here's a pair of the JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a TCL smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is we want to do is put these in the pairing mode. Okay, so both the buds are in a case. Let's open these up. Now when you open these up, you'll know that these are in pairing mode if both of these is blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, for me, I get a solid blue light here, and then it turns off. I don't get no blue, 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 blue. The reason is because I'm connected to another device. I'm connected to my iPhone. So for myself, I have to manually put this in a pairing mode. And how you do that is you can use either the right or left earbud. It doesn't matter. What you got to do is touch the JBL, the touchpad right there. And what you want to do is you want to tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until it says pairing or until both lights start blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay? So I'm just gonna use the right one here. I'm not gonna put it in my ear. So we're just gonna go ahead and tap, tap, tap and hold. Now just keep holding until it says pairing if it's in your ear, or until you see both the lights here blinking blue. There you go. I did it my first time. Sometimes I gotta do it twice. It did say pairing if I had it in my ear. So now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our TCL smart TV, and we wanna go to settings. If you have a settings button in your remote, you can tap on that. If not, go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and just navigate, go up, and then we want to move over to the right to the gear icon, the settings right there. Let's select that. Now from here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories right there. Let's select that. Now we're going to go to add accessory. All right, so tap that, and then we're going to go to OK, because it's already in pairing mode, basically in discoverable mode. Now you see it's searching for devices that's in Bluetooth mode, which is near me, which is like 30 feet. And it did find the Peak 4, Endurance Peak 4 up there. It's already highlighted. I'm going to click on OK on the remote. It says pairing. Get a pairing request, tap on pair. It's already highlighted. Connecting, and it just said connected in the earbuds as well. So there you go. And if you look down there, it says we're connected. Pretty simple. We're connected and ready to go now. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.